Hi there, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to show you how to cook these incredible tomahawk steaks via the reverse sear method on the SNS Kamado. The first thing you need to do is take the meat out of the fridge and bring it up to room temperature. And while you're waiting for that to happen, go and light up the Kamado. While we're waiting for the Kamado to come up to temperature, season your steaks. My favourite seasoning of choice for steak is the Flaming Coals Bovine Espresso rub. Like most steak rubs, it's packed full of salt, pepper and a few other secret herbs and spices, but the top ingredient is the Arabica coffee beans, which gives that amazing bark on the outside once we sear these tomahawk steaks off. Once our Kamado is up to temperature, it's time to add our smoking wood. Today, we're using oak, but you could use mesquite, hickory, ironbark, red gum, or any other strong flavoured wood. Now let's get the steaks on. Our tomahawk steaks have been on the grill for about 40 minutes. Let's check the internal temperature. Perfect. So we were looking for an internal temperature of between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to take these tomahawks off and let them rest for between 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to put them back over the coals and sear them. Our steaks are probing at an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's time to get them off the grill. This tomahawk steak is looking and smelling absolutely delicious. The only thing left to do is to give it a try. So much flavour, it's delicious. To stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.